Next section of the summary is about method. The expectation is between 50 and 75 words. It is a small paragraph that we write about method. We know that any research that we conduct, we will be following a research methodology. If you don't, please recollect information about research onion. We will be following certain research philosophies, certain research strategies, research approaches, research methods, and data collection methods. So among these 4 or 5 sections, whatever the information you want to write, you can write about it. Whatever the research policy that they've followed in the document. Usually, people discuss about the kind of data analysis they are performing and the kind of the research methods they have selected. Okay, so a small 50 words means writing 2 or 3 sentences is fine to get 50 words. All right. So let me cross check information from this article where the information related to the research methods is mentioned. If we cross check in this article, there is no information related to the research methods. It is totally dependent on literature review. So we write that the article, the research method that is followed by the researcher is research literature review method, where archival research method was selected. Archival means they will be collecting information, documents about the topic, and by reviewing those documents, they will be mentioning. This can be generic information. By observing the document, you can mention. For example, let me check any another source. If it contains that would be better, I guess. Literature review section. So let me see introduction. See, this is method of data collection, instrument used. So like this, nature of the questionnaire. They used secondary and primary data, both data. So primary, secondary data means it is literature review kind of thing, and they also used primary research. Maybe survey method was used. So you can write about it. So the survey method was used to conduct the research. In addition to that, maybe literature review also used. So you just brief about the kind of methodology that was used and the advantages that will be achieved by the researcher because of applying that research method. Okay, simply by mentioning the type of the research method can provide you, can satisfy the requirements, but if you want to add additional information, that is fine. Okay, so this is how research methods can be identified. You just cross check whether any primary research method was used or not. If not, just mention that literature review method was used too.